outdoor exercise is a great way to stay fit, especially if you don't have access to a gym facility. Some of the benefits include improved mood, enhanced self-esteem, enhanced vitamin D production, little to no cost, and accessibility. So you can go walking, you can go running, cycling, you can play golf. That includes disc golf, and really anything that you can think to do outside that keeps you moving, you can do. One great idea is to take a yoga mat or exercise mat, take it out to a park or to one of the fields and do some of your favorite body weight exercises out there to include strength training. I would encourage anyone to consider the FIT principle when you're planning your exercise. FIT stands for frequency, intensity, time, and type. Frequency is how often you're outside exercising. Intensity is how hard the exercise is. You want to do something that overloads your muscles but doesn't end up overtraining your muscles to avoid injury. The time that you're exercising can vary for each individual. Some of us would go for shorter runs and some of us for longer runs. And then the type of exercise. A well-rounded exercise routine has components of cardio, strength, balance, and flexibility. If you're stuck inside or it's a rainy day, you can go online to www.fairfaxcounty.gov/park/virtual for our virtual exploration center. It's a great resource that has a lot of pre-recorded workout classes, interactive things that families can do together. There's a section for nature lovers, a section for history lovers. It's a great resource.